How to use Claude AI complete tutorial including projects. Most people are going to think AI tools are just chatbots. You ask a question, you get an answer, and done. But Claude AI is very different. It is not just a chatbot, it is a full workspace where you can write, analyze, code, build projects, and manage long term work inside structured projects. And once you understand how to use it properly, it stops feeling like a tool and starts feeling like a personal assistant that actually remembers your work. Now in this tutorial, I will show you how to use Claude AI from 0 to advanced level, including projects, file handling, coding help, and real project workflows. So let's get started. Now Claude AI is an AI assistant built by Anthropic designed for writing content, coding and debugging, research and analysis, summarizing long documents, building structured projects. So, unlike basic chat tools, Claude is known for strong reasoning over long text, cleaner writing styles, better document understanding, and the ability to work with large scale context. This makes it especially powerful for serious work and not just casual chatting. So, to begin using Claude, what you're going to do is you're going to create an account with Claude as you go on. So once that is done, you can log into the dashboard, start a new chat, choose a model, etc. Before that, there are three plans that Claude brings you. There is the free plan, the pro plan, and the max plan. Now, the free plan, obviously, totally for free, what gives you the allowance to chat on web, iOS, Android, and your desktop. Now, you can go ahead and generate code and visualize data, write, edit, and create content, analyze texts and images, get the ability to search the web, create files, and execute different styles of code, unlocking more from Claude without desktop extensions. Then you have the Pro plans where you can get more usage, you have Claude Code, Claude Cowork, and a whole lot more. And then, of course, the Max plan. Now, for this, I'm going to be using the Claude desktop app. Now, the Claude desktop app basically looks like this. Now, on the left-hand side over here is where you're going to see your chats and projects. In the center, you have your conversation, and in the input box is where you write your prompts. Now, there's no setup stress, neither there's any coding required. Now, Claude works best when you give clear instructions, context, desired output format. So, a bad prompt would be write a blog post about AI, because that's pretty streamlined. A good prompt is write a 1,200 word blog post about AI blogging in 2026, use headings, beginner tone, and include search engine optimizational tips. Now, the difference is massive. Think of Claude like a skilled worker. If your instructions are vague and output is generic, if your instructions are precise, output becomes professional. You can use Claude for writing YouTube scripts, creating blog posts, summarizing PDFs, and even sometimes explaining code. Generating business ideas is also pretty big on Claude, planning schedules, editing content. The key advantage here is speed plus structure. So instead of thinking and writing from scratch, you guide Claude and refine the actual result. Now let's understand projects first. This is where Claude becomes really powerful. Projects are like dedicated workspaces. Each project here can store chats, instructions, files, context about your work. Think of it like one project is equals to one long-term task. So let's say I'm going to click on new project right here, and I'm going to create this project about my study plan, okay, for my exams or my uni. So what are we trying to achieve? I want to be able to study for any course that I want. So once we do that, we're going to click on create a project. And once we've opened this up, we have Claude saying, how can I help you today? So I have exams coming up and I want to start studying from today. I'll give you the courses I need to study, and you will, teach them to me like a professor. So we let Claude know all of this, and as you can see, this is a whole separate project that we've started. Okay. And just like this, you can work along with projects as you go on as well. So, you can even add project instructions like telling it the writing style, telling it the tone, the goals, the format rules, and you can even upload files if needed, like notes on outlines or scripts. Now, every chat inside this project follows pretty much the same logic. This is how professionals are going to organize long-term AI work. Claude can pretty much analyze PDFs, text files, research documents, and even code files. So let's say I'm going to go ahead to files over here. And here I'm going to find a big PDF file that has all my notes. So let's say we have this. So I'm going to go ahead and be like, summarize all of this. Now, this is basically a coding assignment that has, notes about algorithm. So as you can see, Claude is going to go through and read through it. And you can even tell it to extract key points, turn it into a blog post, or, use it in any other use case. And this is extremely useful for students, researchers, content creators, developers. Instead of reading everything manually, you process it quite instantly. So Claude is very useful for coding tasks. So once this is done, you can actually ask Claude to code for you as well. So generate code in C++ of an actively working, let's go with a calculator. So I'm going to go ahead and add that in. Now, once we have sent this in, as you can see, Claude will start working through its code, its API, and its developer line to see all the skills that it needs. And as you can see, it goes on and runs the command. Now, you do need to make sure to define the prompt. Like my prompt was pretty simple, but you could have gone with create a C++ script that scrapes, website titles and saves them to a CSV file, a little detailed. You can refine everything step by step in the code, and you can do that through Claude as well. Like you do not need to do anything extra. So as we can see, here is the whole code. Everything is in code line over here. And right below it, you're going to see the actual output from the test run. And right here is the whole code. You can see how it looks. Pretty incredible, pretty cool. And this is how it looks. So just like this, Claude can be your very own partner. And Claude AI is more than just a chatbot. It is a structured thinking and creational system. If you only use it for quick questions, you are missing out of its power. But if you use projects, structured prompts, file uploads, and step-by-step workflows, it becomes a serious productivity engine. The real skill is not using AI. It's learning how to think with AI. And once you get all of that right, your speed, output, and creativity all are going to scale at once. So that is pretty much about it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.